goats.
Oh, the poor goats.
Dead Oh my gosh. These goats smell like shit.
God,
Damn, look at them chains, bro.
these are different.
Yeah, bought them for him yesterday.
These ones are the ghetto. These ones are the ghetto goats.
Yo, you got
Nah, these ones are from the underground. From the 315, bro.
Put it on the shelf.
Hey, boy. Hi. I'll give you $5 for the whole thing.
I'll give you $5 for the whole thing. You want to eat my hat? You can have it.
Yo.
You want to eat that?
What'd you do if a
You want
goat
to eat my hat?
lifted its tail up and shit up the wall?
Eat my hat.
What would you do?
He wants to eat my hat.
Let him eat it, dude.
Don't let him eat it.
They're malnourished, bro.
I'm just giving him a little bit of the hat.
I don't know. Yo, guys. I think the rain stopped.
What do you want?
I said I think the rain stopped. We're trying to make our way to the army area, but it's very hard because of the intense rain. Yo, don't actually go. That water's nasty water. That's like septic water, bro. There's a porta potty right there. Ew, dude.
Hey, come back now.
Gary! Gary, run through it!
Run. Scamper through it.
Gary's gonna get like jungle rot. Alright, let's get to the army area.
The nastiest water I've ever been in.
Yeah, it's pretty murky. Yo, bro, this is so
to
bad.
the right, right?
I know, it's to the right. What? Bro, are you kidding me?
We have to swim.
Guys, we're literally gonna have to swim to get there because it's so flooded.
Look at how fast it flooded here, too.
Yo, nah, bro.
See you later, Matt.
Are you kidding me right now? I'll meet you guys there. I am not going through that.
I'll give you a piggyback ride.
Your shirt's soaked.
So, it's not that bad.
I'll make my way there. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get to them. This is bad. Like, there's no way out. I might have to literally swim. Holy God. Dude. There's no way out. Damn, dude.
Let's go.
I don't know how, but I made it across. Even though it's a lot deeper than it looks. I need to get to where the rest of the group is. I still got a little ways to go. Damn it.
Okay, you want me to hold that?
I think this is where it is. I was able to find my way over without having to swim over. Yeah, in very deep water.
I offered you a nice solution. I offered you a solution to get
They're
off
still
your
doing
feet.
they're still doing the punching thing right now.
Yo, they
Where
can
is
play
it?
basketball.
Right up here.
Shit.
Play some b-ball, bro.
I can't.
do it for
I don't
the-
know those kids. I don't have a
That
ball.
kid's just rolling in the water.
I can touch them right.
Kid's just rolling.
Yo, what the hell?
Yo, we concentrate on that.
Yo, it's probably slippery as shit. It's probably...
Here it is. Gary, we made it.
We finally made it.
No! You fucking bitch!
It only took us like a half an hour. Your glasses got bent?
Either that or they're just really loose. See, look, they widened out.
They were like that from the beginning with me.
They were tight as fuck. Really?
You can get them tightened.
I do like tight.
All right, Gary, you gotta go up now and punch it.
I know.
Damn, that old man still has some power. Go for it, Gary.
No, because I suck. I have no upper body.
She got 400, bro. Just go up and do it.
Look at my babe. From the following menu: hamburger, French fries. That's the only things on the menu. You can get any 4, 3, 2 items.
That was a pretty bad storm. It was awesome though. We're squatting up here upstairs in this camper.
It's a house.
Oh shit, you can charge your phone and stuff.
Let's just
shit.
This is what's called a bungalow trailer.
What's up?
Jayco, I don't know if this is a Jayco brand. I don't think it is. But Jayco,
Oh yeah,
I
that's
think they
right.
call
You
it
know a
Jayco.
lot about
I
trailers.
don't.
I can take a nap here, bro.
I just know the difference.
Who's over?
I live in.
Snapchat.
Jayco bungalows are the ones with upstairs. They're basically the bungalow at my where I fucking quit was the don't matter.
Somebody's
We're just
coming.
checking out, seeing if we like it.
Somebody's coming.
We're allowed to check out the trailer and see what's going on.
Somebody's coming.
Like, we're doing anything bad. Yeah, we took
We broke
over.
into a trailer. Don't point that at me. I was checking to see if they got wet.
Oh. Did I lock you guys in there?
I got it.
Yo, that would have been.
Riding on one of those things that drive around the fair.
What?
Who the?
Drive around the fair, we should go catch them.
Jesus. So the train started moving and now we're going very slow. Yo guys, go a little slower.
Slower. Stop and act like we're looking at the fairground map. Ooh, fairground.
Guys, if they honk, just wave your hands back. You're like, fuck you.
How you doing? They're really close to us.
They're very close to us right now.
Yo, guys, slow down.
You should act
Slow
like you
down,
got hit.
slow down, slow down. You guys are walking too fast. You gotta slow down.
Gary, Josh,
Josh,
slow down.
Gary.
You fucking kids jumping on my tram. This is my tram.
Yo, guys, walk
it's really
slower.
important.
Guys, walk slow. Oh, there's a rainbow in the distance.
Rainbow! Holy shit! Yo, stand here. Just
Right
stand
there.
here and keep going.
Look, it's right there.
All right, so,
Yo, stand here.
all right, let's
Don't-
explain what happened. To
Yo,
the camera.
Get off
I wish
my
you got that on
tram.
film.
Hey, dude. We
Get off it.
we jumped onto the back of a tram,
pass
which
us, as
they're
they
free.
pass-
They're free rides. No, I jumped on too.
All of us did?
Josh did and I did. We jumped on because they're free rides, and the lady just yells at us.
Get off my
And
tram.
I'm like, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No,
I get
if
off
she
jump,
passes
and
us,
then I was
we
like,
should
I
just
thought
go.
they were free
Get
rides.
off my tram.
Because you can't, I guess, walk on. There's no specifications that says not to jump on.
Yeah, it doesn't.
So legally, it doesn't even matter.
It doesn't even say it.
I didn't actually think that they had a person on there watching.
Let's change the entire thing.